Right here we have the Lebron 19 Christmas. Bought them on Foot Locker for $200, and they clean. They clean. All right. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, the box look good. The box look nice. They did that with the box. Go ahead and get this open. Bam. 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 See these air pockets? Got two right here, two right here. That's pretty cool. Whatever this is, that's pretty cool. The way they did that. I'm gonna tell y'all, the last best LeBrons to me was the 15s, man. After that, everything else was downhill. I'm sorry, you know. And the best LeBrons was when they first, was introduced, when they first came out. So here goes the shoe. Let's get this off the table. Look at that. Clean. 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 Look at that. You got a crown right here. Look at the tongue. You got air pockets in the tongue too. I ain't see that. See them air pockets? Oh man. Clean. The shoe clean, y'all. The shoe clean. White speckled. But, like I said, the last LeBron's the 15, as far as 5. I'm sorry. You know what I'm saying? But, my son love these, man. So